Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A40 and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer and we'll start with the very useful code, the shortest one. It's *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both email numbers and also serial number for your Samsung Galaxy. Click on OK to go back. And now let's open the firmware version. The code is *##1234#. And as you can see here, we've got the version of your device, of your Samsung. Let me go back. And now let's enter another code, which is *##26836662#. And as you can see, now you're in service mode. You can use your menu key and check it over here. If you'll tap on more icon, you can select key input, select, back, and all the others. So let me go back. Now let's open the battery status, the battery information, for which code is *##0228#. And here you've got detailed info about your battery, such as network, signal strength, current value, and all the others. Also the charging type. So let me go back. Now we'll open another code, which is *##O*##. And this is the testing menu, very useful one. I think this is the most helpful mode, where you can test your device. If you have any doubts if some feature is working correctly, simply enter this code and then check it. So for example, you can find if receiver, sensor, touch, blue, cam are working correctly. So let me pick, for example, speaker. And as you can hear, it is working correctly. Then you can pick, for example, the sensor. Let me click over here, and that's also working correctly. So that's it. This is how you can test your device. Simply use this code and then check if it's the application to blame or your device itself. So let me go back, and now let me light the screen. And now let's go to the USB settings. So let's enter *##0808#. And here you can simply make your Samsung visible for your PC or laptop. So let me go back. And now there will be the last code, which is *##2663#. And here you can come along with the advanced firmware version. So as you can see, it's a bit longer than this code in the beginning. So here you've got the phone's TSP version, part TSP version, threshold, data, and all the others. You can also refresh Wi-Fi version here. Wait a couple of seconds, maybe up to 1 minute. And that's it. So as you can see, you can use plenty of very useful codes in your device. You can test your device. You can gain some important info regarding your Samsung Galaxy A40. Enjoy them, use them whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.